I started my YouTube channel without a good phone, no camera, no mic, and without a nice background. And honestly, I felt like I didn't know what I was doing. But something kept ringing in my head that I can do this, and that is why I'm here today. If you have been overthinking of starting your YouTube channel, this video is for you, because all those things that kept me waiting, that delayed me, I actually started without them. Number one reason why I started posting on YouTube, I was so obsessed about watching YouTube videos. I would spend hours watching different creators speaking fluently, like speaking freely on YouTube. And I was like, why can't I start creating my own video too? Why can't I start posting my own video on YouTube? After all, YouTube is for everybody. So I started posting on YouTube. Another reason for starting a YouTube channel is I want to build my confidence on camera. Like, I want to build that's having confidence to talk on camera. I want to build it, and I'm glad that I'm getting better every day. Like, every single video is always better than the previous, and that is what YouTube actually is doing for me right now. And if you are also trying to like start a YouTube channel, this is what you are going to get. Once you start a YouTube channel, it will force you to start talking, and you will always get better every single day. It will improve your confidence on camera, it will improve how you talk, it will improve how you express yourself. And I am so glad. In fact, YouTube is not just a content creation platform, it is a personal growth platform, because it will stretch you to improve. Like, it will stretch you to get better at what you do if you keep doing it consistently, like if you are doing it every time. So that's, and the third reason is that it helps me to gain more knowledge. Like, when if you are creating on YouTube or any platform at all, like if you always do a talking head video like this, it you know that you must always prepare for what you want to say before you even hit record. So starting a YouTube channel has really helped me in that aspect, because it helps me to seek more knowledge, to do more research on whatever topic that I want to talk about, whatever video I want to record. It helps me to to gain more knowledge, to do research. And it also helped me in the aspect of communication, because you don't want to just hit record and start struggling with what you want to say. So starting a YouTube channel is more than just making money for me. It is a personal growth platform for me, and I'm so glad, because I'm enjoying this journey. Right? Point number four. This point is actually my number one, but because when I started YouTube, my intention was to come and make money, because I heard that people are making money on YouTube, blah blah blah. YouTube are paying people well more than other platforms. So my intention was to come and make my own money on YouTube, like come and make my own dollar on YouTube, sharp sharp. But then when I started, I realized something, and that is, you cannot make money on YouTube without building your audience. Like, you have to build your channel, you have to build your community, you have to build audience, you have to show up consistently. Like, you have to show up, you have to let people know you, before you can make money on YouTube. So right now, I'm not even obsessed about making money again. I know that the money will come, but I just want to build my audience. I just want to share my journey, and I just want to get better on every video, in every video that I upload on YouTube. The last one is that I am documenting my journey. I'm sharing my journey on YouTube. Like, since I started posting on YouTube, it has helped me to, like, I see it as if I'm documenting my journey. I'm sharing my journey. I'm sharing my success, my struggle. Because when I started, the way I speak, I struggle. Like, I really struggle, because English is not my first language. So I had to, like, each time I want to record a video, I'll just say one or two words, and I'll pause, and I'll hit record again. But now, at least I can talk for like more than 1 minute, and I will still be talking. So YouTube is really helpful for me, because I'm documenting my journey, I'm sharing my struggle, my wins, my success. And yeah, I'm enjoying this journey. I'm enjoying. So if you are waiting for the perfect time, stop waiting and start creating. If you are waiting for the perfect background, perfect phone, stop waiting and start creating, because nobody starts perfect. You just start and you improve, you get better at it every day. So if this video push you a little bit, I want to challenge you that stand up now and start creating. Record your first video and come back and tell me how it feels. Yes, come back and tell me how it feels. I am rooting for you. This is your beginner, your monitor. I don't know if I should call it your class rep of beginner content creator on YouTube. Yes, I'm the class rep. I've given myself that position. I'm the class rep of beginner content creator on YouTube. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.